Hi, this is Peter from Coffee One, www.coffeeone.com.au. I'm here in Pedro's Takeaway on the wharf at Alveston in Tasmania. I'm going to do a quick demonstration on our new S300 that Pedro's have placed in for their coffee. It's sensational. It turns any operator into a world-class barista. It's very, very simple. You go up to your touch screen. Let's just say you want to do a cappuccino. You will select your espresso. You will purge your steam on. You will now place your jug underneath, and you'll place full cream milk latte. You've got your espresso being extracted on the left, and your foam is being foamed from the jug automatically on the right. Adding air to it, so you'll have sensational soft, silky milk. You can foam any type of milk you want: almond milk, soy milk, skim milk, full cream milk. Same results. The milk is now being foamed. As you can see, soft, silky milk. And you pour it in. One cappuccino. One expert by anybody. Thank you. My name is Peter from Coffee One here at Pedro's on the wharf at Alveston. Thank you very much. Bye bye.